Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you how to sell phone cases on Etsy in 2024. Guys, listen to me carefully, pay attention. It requires no initial investment, this method of course, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. Of course, you need your Etsy account, guys. So I'm aware that you know how to make it. Just sign in, guys, with Google, with mail, make password, and you're good to go. I don't want to explain that. I don't want to bore you guys with that. So please listen to me right now. What we need to do here, let's just press right here. Type it in phone cases. Let's see what we have here. Maybe for iPhone 14, but let's just see phone case in general. What is the offer? 1,000 plus results. Sounds amazing because right now, right here, we can see plenty of opportunity. Take a look at this design. Really cool, guys. Right here, you can check it out. $16, $18, $26, 5,000 reviews, guys. You can calculate yourself the amount of money this person made with this phone case, guys. Edition, it's really superb. So what we need to do here, we can see there is a huge demand for this, guys. Yes, we have some competition, we have plenty of offers right here, guys, but there's even bigger demand. I mean, this is a low cost product, but it's super easy for you to make. And how can you do it if you don't know how to literally physically make yourself a phone case, guys? Well, let me show you. It's super easy. We need to go right here, guys, basically on printful.com. I mean, this is a print-on-demand and dropshipping company that enables individuals and businesses to create and design custom design products online without the need to handle inventory or shipping. Yes, you heard me well. So what you need to do here, of course, again, you need to register. I don't want to show you that part, guys. Plenty of how to in these types of videos, guys, are showing to you how to sign up. I don't want to do that. I'm aware that you know how to sign up, guys. Just click on the sign up, go with Google, go with mail, whatever you want to do, Facebook, whatever. I mean, just sign up and be here in your account. This is how your account is supposed to look like. So what we need to do from this point on, I mean, we need to check it out, guys, for ourselves, that this, as I said, print-on-demand and dropshipping platform is offering to us huge amount of possibilities. Welcome to your Printful dashboard, guys. Let's get started. First thing first, stores. We need to connect our store, guys. We can make a product here, but if we can't sell it on our platform, on our store, then why did we make it at all at first? So right here, choose platform, guys. We can check it out. Then what we need to do is to pick Etsy, of course. Connect, create a marketplace with over 80 million active buyers. That's really magnificent. So then when you connect, when you press on connect on Etsy, guys, connect your Etsy store to Printful. Step number 1, 2, blah blah blah. You can check it out right here. Authorize Printful Etsy application. Connect to Etsy. Let's just see, guys, how easy it is. Connect your account, read your user profile, say billing and shipping address, blah blah blah, and so on and so on. Grant access right here. And as you can see, guys, once you connected your Etsy account, what is the next step for you? I mean, that's the most interesting one. We need to find a product. So let's check it out. Let's press on add product right here. And what do we need? What do we want to sell, guys? As we said before, phone case. Let's just check it out. Phone case right here. We can type in and see what will pop up. For iPhone, yes, that's it. So clear case for iPhone right here. Of course, that's totally possible. Down here you can check it out, guys. Technique, UV printing and everything. You can see the reviews and so on. Modules, you can select all, you can unselect all, guys, and select maybe some specific models. That's just you want to do your design to, guys. Apply your design to iPhone 14 Pro Max, 15 Plus, 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro, and so on. Something like that. If you want to do some newer models and so on, maybe you want to do some older ones because there is not that tough competition. Think about it. And what we need here is to upload or drop your design. So your design will be on the back of this, guys, and what we need to do. So what's the best way to find a design? Of course, Canva. I mean, you saw this coming. Yeah, guys, admit that. So Canva is here, but how to use Canva? What we need to find on Canva? So phone case right here, you need to type it in, guys, and of course search for it. Let's see what we have here. Of course, I mentioned it before, this is a no investment option, no investment method. So I'm also not using my Canva Pro, guys, but I recommend if you want to maybe bring your game to another level, maybe get some great, cooler designs and so on, then yes, of course, Canva Pro is definitely the #1 thing that you should consider purchasing. So yeah, we can see some really interesting designs here, guys, but plenty of them are paid ones. So we can see, guys, right here, this amazing lion, for example, this cool panda is here. We can see plenty of great stuff. I mean, I must admit it, guys, and we can see even plenty of great ones that are actually, guys, free. I mean, they're not premium someone. So let's just check this panda out. Customize this template. What we need to do here, guys, is of course to bring our touch to it. But I mentioned it before. This is your design. So please, guys, just think about it. I will not just focus on design itself. I will just do something to show you how can you actually, wow, this is a huge cloud right here, and this one will bring it here, maybe. I don't know, I'm not a designer, so I don't like it at all. I will just move these clouds left and right and see right here. And then what we need, maybe something like this. This is just my head, you know. Right here we can check it out, guys. And here you can check it out. For example, this one. Let's see how it will fit, guys. I think, okay, maybe not this one. Maybe the black one will be maybe more suitable. Yes, I think this one is much more suitable, guys. We have a plane even right here. And again, you can check it out. Or this minimalistic, this one right here. Maybe, I don't know, I will leave this one, for example. I just showing to you guys, it didn't matter basically. So you can of course do something like this, elements, again, adjust effects, guys, adjust and everything. For example, we can even do edit image, guys, and so on. So yeah, you know how that things work. So please just feel free to explore it for yourself, to do it for yourself, guys. We can even have some blue sky. Why not, guys? We can do whatever we want. We can change the background, we can change everything, every color right here. So yes, it basically ain't it literally ain't matter. So once you've done with that, what we need to do, of course, else is to download it, guys. Down below we can see PNG suggested, download it, and so on. PNG Panda phone wallpaper is downloading to my computer, so it's done. You can see right here, guys, wallpaper is done. So what we need to do else here is to go back to Printful, then upload or drop your design here. Let's check it out. So this one, delete, we do not want this one, guys, so we need a new file, and that will be this one. Open, and now we need to wait for it to fully download it, guys, and just to be prepared for everything. And once your file is uploaded, what we need to do else is to press on apply. So let's see. This is pretty cool. I mean, I really like this one. So guys, you can even switch it, you can move it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can zoom out, zoom in, and so on for a good, you can see even good quality. Let's see, it's a good, okay, quality. Okay, so yeah, okay, I understand. We need to put it somewhere like here or something. We can put it even up here, and then we can see this cool take a chill pill panda, if I'm right. Yeah, it looks amazing. I mean, I really like it. I mean, it's not the best design for sure, but I'm not a designer, so I will leave that part for. You can see 293 DPI, guys, right here. So, and you can check it out how it looks on iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and so on. You can check it out, guys. It's really unique. So after that, what you need to do, guys, is to press and continue in bottom right corner. You maybe cannot see that because of my picture, but yeah, it's in bottom right corner. Press and continue, then we'll wait. Basic mockups, choose from a variety of ready-made mockups, build personalized mockups from scratch, or use your templates. So they are basically offering to you full transparency, full freedom. Basically, you can do it even your mockups, but I'll choose this one right here. So right here we can see the mockup preview, guys, how it looks like right here, main page and everything. You can see how it looks like and everything. It's really unique, and you can check it out, guys. Here is your design. You can see down here how it looks like. It really is amazing. So after that, again, bottom right corner, do not forget to continue, and here we are. So we need to name it right here. Let's just say, for example, why not, guys, let's just say chill panda phone case, chill panda design phone case like this. Description is down below. Benefits of on-demand manufacturing and everything. At California Proposition 65, warning, the product description, and so on. So right here you can check it out, guys. Tags right here, of course. Phone is number one, guys, right here. Then we have case right here. Then we have, guys, after that we have Panda, after, and so on. And you just need a couple of these kinds, couple of tags, guys, so people will easily find your product. Your product will be much better SEO'd, basically. So I think this is okay for now. Phone case, Panda Chill, guys, right here. I mean, do it your own, separate component, blah blah blah. And here you can check it out, guys. Printful price right here, 1050 to 1095, guys, right here, 1250 retail price. You can even check it out. I mean, you can see estimated earnings, retail price minus printful price. Right here is earnings, guys, of course, so you can set it for yourself. You can reduce your earnings, guys, if you think that will sell your product better, and you have some other strategies and so on. But if you're satisfied with this, just submit to store, guys, and then we can just wait. Chill Panda design phone case is uploading right here, and of course in your store, guys. And that's it, guys. It's available right here. You can see Chill Panda design phone case right here. You can press on it, guys. You can even edit some more stuff if you like that or something like that, guys. Add a description, design, download mockups, and everything down below. You can see, guys, retail price and everything, shipping, blah blah blah, and so on. But you can even press on this, add it in Etsy, guys, and you can check it out. You will be redirected straight away right here. Great job on your first listing and so on. Right here you can see add more, do this later, add more listing, and so on. And you can check it out, guys, and added even more stuff right here. So fill this out for yourself, guys, how you get paid. Right here you can see stock your shop, how you get paid, share billing info, your shop security. Down below you can see, for example, getting paid on Etsy for tax purposes, what type of seller are you, and so on and so on. You can check it out, and just bureaucracy, guys, fill it out for yourself. But you saw how easy it is to make your own phone cases, guys, without need of making them, actually. So give it a shot. I mean, you can make some really amazing amount of profit. Write down in comment section your experience with it, if you go with it, guys, if you try this method, and I will try to answer to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, goodbye.